Good morning. I'm at Dollar Tree, and I'm actually back at a Dollar Tree, not that this matters, but this Dollar Tree in particular, before I even moved to Florida, something was going on with it. I really don't know what. I remember asking an employee once, and they were like, they just didn't have enough employees, so they like shut the store down. But then the store was like still shut down when I came back from Florida. So I don't know if they like opened up again, but then closed again. But basically when I came back to this location to see still closed, and then the other day I checked again and it was open. Weird story to tell, no one cares. But I do need to grab a couple of things that I know I want for the house. But other than that, of course, I'm here to just check out and see what new things that they have released. Look at those skies today. Kind of pretty. Oh my gosh, that's precious. That's really cool for an Easter basket. The gloves this year are so cute. I have this one. Look at the little trucks. This one's pretty. This one is so cute. I have the lemon one. Like so quiet in the store. It feels weird to like, you know, talk super loud. And Barbie's got a swimming pool. And look, scuba gear, bathing suit, lifeguard. That is so cute. Slightly disappointed in this Dollar Tree. It's super huge, but I really wasn't finding anything new. I mean, I did get, you know, some good things. I just kind of expected to find a little bit more. I'm trying to find my receipt. I'll throw up the amount on the screen, but I think it was around like $30. For me, for your girl, I frequent Dollar Tree several times a week. That's probably like one of my lower numbers because obviously if you know me, you know I'm trying to find all the things that are new so that I can tell you guys, you know, what's there and what to look for, because Dollar Tree does turn things around very, very quickly. But yeah, I mean, let me just show you what I got. So one of the first things that I definitely had on my mind that I needed to pick up was black poster board. I hope this is going to work out. I'm gonna insert a clip here. Hopefully it does. So if there's no clip, that means it didn't. But in my office, I have a TV stand with like a built-in electric fireplace. I love this thing. I got it from Amazon, by the way. I'll link it down below. But the doors are glass and it's see-through. And I don't really want them to be see-through right now. So I thought because the detail like across the glass is also black, that I would get poster board to like cover it up so that you can't see all of my things that are sitting in there. A black poster board from Dollar Tree will do the trick. I thought for sure one would be enough to cover both of my little glass doors. The second item that I needed to get for the house were just some organizing bins. Of course, I went with black. I got 5 of these. 5 of this size. They're each $1.25. They're one of my favorite baskets because they're just, the plastic on it is a lot sturdier than some of the other options at Dollar Tree. This comes in gray, white, maybe navy, but I went with black. So I have this closet by my master bedroom, but it's not like in my master bedroom, it's like right before it. I also got this size, just so you guys can see. And I definitely am going to need some like organization in there. So I'm just gonna start off with these. I really don't know how much I need, what what size I need. I do know that this closet doesn't have very much depth. It's pretty wide, but the depth is just, it's not there. So I knew that these little baskets would be perfect for it. I want to organize, like, it's also Loki's closet, so I keep his leash, all of his stuff in there, his ear flush, and it's also going to be like my utility. So I want to keep my drills and my batteries. So I'm just kind of like gearing up for that organization. So eventually that video will come out. So there's that. So other than those two things, everything else, I just kind of wanted to like go in and see, you know, what was going down at Dollar Tree. Of course, not very much was going down in this store. So, but here's what I did pick up. So I found this new air freshener by Great Scents. I don't know this brand. It is an orange blossom honey. That is a very, Loki's right here. That is a very interesting, like, this smells actually really good and it doesn't smell cheap. So I really like it. Next up, I got another sticker and another stamp set. I think I might have hauled this one before. I really like the bike and the stack of books. I think that's so cute. There's a lot of really cute stickers in here. I'm not gonna lie, Crafter Square puts out some good ones. Then I saw this stamp set and I was just like, wait a minute. Like, that one is so pretty. And then of course you get all of the other little stamps as well. Some cute words and some little flowers. This one I think is like a little tulip. So that's adorable, but that's it. Then I found this really cute Jot notebook with the rainbow. I looked at all the other options. I don't know. They just didn't pull me, but it's just a notebook. This would actually be really cute for an Easter basket too, by the way. I'm a huge journal girl. Like, I love getting journals. I love having them for like different reasons, different like categories. I'm obsessed. I don't know. I feel like this generation is not very, or the newer, younger generation is not really like pen to paper as much as our generation. They're missing out because the notes I used to pass, the drama, the tea that would actually happen on paper, and the lag time to get the tea. Anywho, then I found these, which I think these are actually, wait. Is one missing? Am I tripping? Maybe it fell out in my car, but this Play-Doh set looks new. Now what's interesting is that I feel like this is one of the first times we've seen Dollar Tree give us like specific Play-Doh to make specific things. Obviously I've seen stuff like that at Walmart. I've bought it for my niece before, like where you can make it in a whole ice cream store kind of thing. But at Dollar Tree, you've really only been able to buy the clay itself. But this is the first time I'm seeing like where you make, again, a specific thing. So this one is where you create your own pretend food. So it gives you all the things to make this, and it shows you on the back. You get these two colors, and then you get the paper for the fries, and then the plate, I guess, for the pizza. So that's really cute. Then we've got this one, which looks like Buzz Lightyear. Who's this guy? McQueen, Lightning McQueen, right, from Cars. And so it gives you all of the pieces there. And the third option was a dinosaur. It was like a purple and green dinosaur of some sort. So I thought those were a really great item, great for an Easter basket. And then the last couple of things is just food. I have been searching for these since the last time I bought them at Dollar Tree, so I was so happy that this store did have it, and they are the honey roasted peanuts. There's a lot of product in here, honestly, for $1.25. It's also great to make like a little snack box for your car, especially before like some of the states in the South when it gets too hot in your car. I wouldn't advise putting food and leaving it there for days. But now in the springtime, I have a little snack thing in my car going. So had to get those. Then I found these. I did not know Jell-O did some type of candy, so That's shocking me. These are candy squares. And sour cherry. I don't know. Let me just taste it, because I don't even remember the last time I honestly had Jell-O. Actually, no, I haven't eaten yet, and this is just, y'all, this is gonna spike my cortisol because I haven't eaten yet. So I'll find out later. And then I've actually been searching for shark gummy bears in the blue. So we have this drink store here called Swig. Comment, let me know if you guys have Swig in your state, if you're not in Texas. I know in the Dallas area, I don't know if it's like a Dallas-based thing, I have no idea. But comment if you have one in another state. My favorite is the Shark Attack. And it's blue, the drink is blue, and then on top they put a little blue shark gummy, and it's so good. And I'm like, is this the gummy they put? I don't really know, but I'm gonna try it later on today. I don't know why I thought this video was over, but it's not. I suddenly realized that there was something missing from my cart when I went to or from my bags when I went to start editing, and I found a whole nother bag. I don't even know what's happening. Here's that dinosaur. I guess it's yellow, not green, but ooh, that's interesting. They actually give you the bones, and then I guess you like work around it. That's very interesting. Here's another candy, Haribo, the rainbow worms. I've never seen rainbow worms before. I mentioned this in one of my last Dollar Tree hauls, how Haribo has been dropping, or Dollar Tree, however you want to look at it, has been dropping a lot of like different items from this brand. I guess I got 4 of the honey roasted peanuts. This item really surprised me as well. We've got a big name brand find at Dollar Tree, Bic, but this is Bic Kids. I didn't know that they got into crayons, but honestly, it's so interesting watching brands that like have been around for a very long time, and now all of a sudden they're like experimenting with like new things. So it's super smart of them to like have expanded outside of pens and pencils. And here are the crayons. Super cute. I really love the packaging as well. It's nice to have something a little different from Crayola. So that's cute. Then I picked up this mascara. It's this volumizing mascara. Mine, I love mine. I get the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Love it. I've been on it for years. My one thing about it is it dries so fast. And it feels like, you know what I mean? They probably fill the bottle halfway because you can't see it. I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to like give another mascara a try. And then, oh, here's my receipt that I was looking for. I spent $32.25. And then I picked up these. So, has the planners in it. I'll just pull out the planner, like put them in my office, but I actually really wanted it for this. So I love this little like pocket sleeve, has the holes for a binder setup. I'm gonna be on the lookout for more of these because my word of the year is organization. I am determined. I am bound to it, really. It's like my soul contract or something. I have to get my together in my mind, around me. I just feel like, I mean, you've seen me. You know, you've seen it firsthand. You know better than anybody else that I need to get it together. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. So now that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul. And I'm gonna see you guys really soon for my dining room. It's coming together. I'm kind of hoping I get to release this room tomorrow. I know I don't normally post on Fridays, but I didn't end up posting yesterday, so I'm gonna like replace the day for tomorrow. It's either gonna be the dining room video or it's going to be a shop with me, like therapy shop with me. I went to Home Goods, I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to TJ Maxx and Walmart, and I got some clothing, some things. I got stuff, decor for around the house from Home Goods. So it's either gonna be that video or it's gonna be the dining room. So yeah. But then if it's not one or the other, then it'll follow Saturday. So like if it's not the dining room tomorrow for Friday, the dining room will most likely follow for Saturday. It really comes down to I have to hang these mirrors and I need to get the anchors for them for the drywall. and I don't have them, so it depends on my scale of laziness on whether or not I want to head off to Home Depot. So there's that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.